So this is the final sealer coat that I'm getting ready to put on. As you can see, this is the brand that I'm using. It is the SafeCoat Acrylacq glossy finish. When it says fast drying, that's no joke. This stuff is really fast drying. You can see just how smooth, like you can see the glass-like finish that it's given the concrete. So it took away all the chalkiness of the concrete and really gave it, I mean, look at the reflection. In the actual countertop, I did 4 layers of concrete, I did 2 layers of the impregnator, and I'm doing 4 coats of the clear coat pro finish glossy finish, just to help with the durability. I have read so many different reviews where people have done 1 coats, 2 coats, 3 coats. I also feel like every 6 to 12 months I'm going to give it a light scuff and reseal, just to help with the longevity. But it literally looks like glass, and this stuff is really easy. This is literally the easiest part of the process. I was reading Young House Love blog about it, and her husband basically said he went rogue. So what that to me meant was, and the picture actually shows the exact same thing, he dumped it right on the counter and just started to smear it around, which is what I did. And you just dumped out. That's about what I need to do the entire piece of my counter, working from the top and the backsplash forward. And I say that because the first couple of coats of concrete that I did, I just kind of like started because I was so excited. And unfortunately, I was starting like in the front, and I had to reach over wet concrete to reach the back of my counters. So I don't recommend that, but all in all, this is the last coat, and then I will be done with this side. It has to cure for a few days before I can put stuff on it. I'm going to give it an entire week before it is in full use mode, and probably 3 weeks before I'm really actively aggressive with it. So yeah, I'm going to smear this on, and it's my last coat.